So here we discuss some of the problems from the module electrostatics. So the first question is that compare the electrostatic force and the gravitational force in the case of the hydrogen atom. So we know that hydrogen atom consists of a proton and an electron separated by a distance equal to Bohr radius. So here we consider the hydrogen atom and the ground state. So the separation between the nucleus and the electron is equal to the Bohr radius A0. This is equal to 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meters. So the charge of the proton is equal to plus E, that is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, and that of the electron is minus E, which is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. So we can easily find out the electrostatic force between them, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So R here is the Bohr radius A0, which is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meters. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 10 into so the force is negative since Q1 Q2 is minus, so that means the force is attractive in nature. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 whole square divided by 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 whole square. So substituting these values, the electric force between the proton and the electron in the hydrogen atom is obtained as some 8.1 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton. So now we can calculate the gravitational force between the proton and the electron in the hydrogen atom. So we know that the expression for the gravitational force is given by G m1 m2 divided by r square, where G is the gravitational force. Its value is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and m1 here is the mass of the proton, which is equal to some 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilograms, and the mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilograms. So the mass of the proton is some 1836 times the mass of the electron. So substituting this, and R is again the Bohr radius, which is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meters. So substituting this, 9.1 into 10 raised to 31 minus 31 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 27 divided by 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 whole square is found to be some 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 47 Newton. So we can see that the electric force is very greater than the gravitational force, and compare means we have to find the ratio of electric and gravitational force. So it's found to be some 8.1 into 10 raised to minus 8 Newton divided by 3.7 into 10 raised to minus 47 Newton. It is some 2.19, 2.2 into 10 to the power plus 39. So that means the electric force is 10 to the power 39 times greater than the gravitational force. So in the case of the hydrogen atom, the electric force is very high compared to the gravitational force. So now we can do the next problem. Calculate the Columbian force between two alpha particles separated by a distance of 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meters. So we know that the Columbian force F is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. So R here is given 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meters. So here we have to find the force between two alpha particles. So we know that alpha particles are doubly ionized helium. So ഹീലിയത്തിൽ നിന്ന് 2 ഇലക്ട്രോൺസ് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്കൊരു ആൽഫ പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ കിട്ടുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഹീലിയത്തിലുള്ള 2 ഇലക്ട്രോൺസും റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തു, ഹീലിയം ന്യൂക്ലിയസ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ അതിന്റെ ചാർജ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഓരോന്നും Q1 is equal to 2e. ഈ നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Q2 is also 2e. So substituting these values, you can easily find the force. So you please complete this problem and find the force between those two charges. So next question is that two equal charges placed at a distance 1 meter repel each other with a force of 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Find the magnitude of the charge. So we have seen that the charges are equal. That means Q1 equal to Q2 equal to Q. And the separation between them is 1 meter. And the force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 into Q2 is Q square itself, and R is 1, which is 1 square, which is 1. So we know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. ഇപ്പോൾ പ്രോബ്ലം ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ അറിയാതെ 10 ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് മാറ്റണം. 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q square. So from here, so this force is equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton എന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So Q square is equal to this force divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 9 into 10 to the power 9. So 9 മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകുമ്പോൾ 10 raised to minus 9 കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് പോകും. So 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 12. So Q is the root of this, which is 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. Now fourth question is that two equal charges placed at a certain separation repel each other by a certain force. If a dielectric medium is introduced between the charges, the force between them is reduced by 10%. Find the value of the dielectric constant. So initially we have two charges separated by a certain distance r. So suppose a dielectric medium is placed in between. The force between them is reduced. Force എന്തായാലും decrease ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. So initially the medium between them is free space or vacuum, and after the dielectric medium is introduced, the force is reduced by 10%. Reduced to 2 എന്നല്ല, reduced by 10% എന്നാണ്. Suppose the force in the vacuum is F vacuum. So we know that the expression for it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So then when the medium is introduced, we know that the force is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon R Q1 Q2 by R square, and we have already seen that epsilon R is the ratio of F vacuum to F medium. So ഇവിടെ F vacuum നമ്മളൊരു particular F vacuum എന്നെടുത്തു. F medium എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അതിന്റെ 10% reduce ചെയ്തിട്ട്, അതായത് 10% of F vacuum അല്ല, reduce ചെയ്തിട്ട് by 10% എന്നാണ്. reduced to എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴാണ് ഇതിന്റെ F vacuumത്തിന്റെ 10% ആയിട്ട് F medium എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. Here F medium is equal to F vacuum minus 10% of F vacuum. 10% എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ F vacuum into 10 by 100. So F vacuum into 1 minus 10 divided by 100. So this is 100 minus 10 by 100. അതായത് reduced by എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അത് 90% ആയിട്ടാണ് മാറിയത്. 90 by 100. reduced to എന്നല്ല യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്, reduced by. അപ്പൊ 10% കുറഞ്ഞു. 10% ആയി കുറഞ്ഞതല്ല, 10% കുറഞ്ഞു. So F medium is 90 by 100. And we know that, or we can say that 9 by 10. 0 cut ചെയ്തിട്ട് F vacuum. So the dielectric constant is the ratio of the force in the air or vacuum to the force in the medium. So F vacuum divided by 9 by 10 into F vacuum. So this vacuum get cancelled. We have for 10 by 9, which is 1.1. So this is the dielectric constant of the particular medium concerned. It has got no unit. Now the fifth question is that two electric charges 6 microcoulomb and 8 microcoulomb separated by a certain distance repel each other with a force of 43.2 Newton. If the magnitude of each charge is increased by 10%, find the new force between them. We have two charges. Q1 is equal to 6 microcoulomb, 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs, and Q2 is equal to 8 into 10 to the power micros 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs. So they repel with a force of 43.2 Newton. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ നിന്ന് അതിന്റെ സെപ്പറേഷൻ നമുക്ക് കാണാൻ പറ്റും. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square is equal to 43.2 Newton. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 Q2 substitute ചെയ്യുക, divided by R square is this. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ നമുക്ക് R കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. So find out R first. Then the magnitude of each charge is increased by 10%. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ by ആണ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ Q1 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് Q1 new charge is Q1 prime is equal to Q1 plus 10% of Q1. Increased by ആണ്. So substitute here 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 10% of this. 10% of 6 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 0.6 into 10 raised to minus 6. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulombs എന്ന് കിട്ടും. 6.6 micro coulombs എന്ന് കിട്ടും. അതുപോലെ Q2 prime is equal to Q2 plus 10%, 10 by 100 of Q2. So substituting 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. അതിന്റെ 10% എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ 0.8 into 10 to the power minus 6. 8.8 into 10 to the power minus 6. So നമുക്ക് പുതിയ ചാർജസ് Q1 പ്രൈമും Q2 പ്രൈമും കിട്ടി. അതുപോലെ R നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. അതിന്റെ വാല്യൂ 10 to the power minus 2 meters ആയിരിക്കും. നിങ്ങൾ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ കിട്ടുക. Then the new force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 prime Q2 prime divided by R square. So substituting this, please find the value of this force. Okay, thank you.